In this video, you'll learn how to obtain discount and promo codes for eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your shopping experience and save money on your purchases. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the deals section, which can typically be found in the main menu or home page. In this section, look for current promotions, seasonal sales, or limited time offers that eBay is featuring. To ensure you do not miss any exclusive promo codes, consider signing up for eBay emails or notifications. It is also important to review the terms and conditions associated with each promotion to identify which items are eligible for the discounts. Staying informed about these deals can significantly impact your savings. After exploring eBay's own promotions, the next step involves checking trusted third-party websites for valid eBay promo codes. These sites often compile various discount codes, but it is crucial to ensure that the website you choose is reputable to avoid scams. Once you find a code that you want to use, proceed to the checkout process on eBay. During this stage, you will have the option to enter the promo code in a designated field. Some codes may come with restrictions, such as minimum order amounts or specific product categories, so be sure to read the fine print before applying the code. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review the total price to confirm that the promo code has been successfully applied. You should see the discount reflected in your order summary. It is important to keep track of any expiry dates or limitations associated with the promo code you are using. If you are purchasing multiple items, verify if the code applies to all of them. Regularly checking for new promotions will help you maximize your savings during your shopping experience. Remember that large purchases may require more attention to detail when applying discounts. If you encounter any issues with a promo code, double check its validity or any specific conditions that may apply. Additionally, ensure your internet connection is stable during the checkout process to avoid any disruptions. Being patient while waiting for the final confirmation of your order can help you avoid mistakes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.